think I forgot how to be a YouTuber. Is that possible? I think it's possible. Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Hayla, and today's video we are doing something very exciting. My entire pantry and fridge is embarrassing, truly. I don't know what's going on. The snacks and food that has gone bad, gross stuff going on is just sick, and it's making me really grossed out. And so I'm very excited to be doing this grocery haul because as of today, we are going to be re-kicking off and jump-starting our journey. I'm not trying to specifically lose weight right now. I'm really just trying to keep up with my health and make sure that I'm eating the right food for my health. Looking at my pantry, which I will definitely show you guys. And by pantry, I mean not a pantry because I don't have one. I just literally use the storage that's left over that I don't end up using for silverware dishes, and it works out fine. Today I placed an order on Instacart. It just got here. What we're going to do right now is we're going to take everything out of my fridge. We're going to take everything out of my cupboard space behind me and basically fill it with all of these really healthy ingredients and food options for me to eat so that I'm not wondering why I'm gaining weight when eating every Oreo in my house. So that's what we're gonna do now, but right before we get into that part of the video, I did wanna show you guys what I got. My receipt is literally so long. I did not think I got this many items worth of this long of a receipt, but I guess I did. Yeah, let's get right into it. I'm actually going to make sure that everything on here is in my cart because I definitely spent a lot of money. I think it's so just awful that they make it more expensive for you to eat better. So rude. Okay, let me fix my camera setup so you guys can really see. So the first thing that I got were these barbecue pot chips, and the reason why I really like being able to buy items that are not exactly healthy options, but not exactly the worst for you either, being able to just kind of treat myself. Like, I'm not counting the calories that are in this bag of chips. Non-GMO, gluten-free. I know my stomach's not gonna be doing the cat daddy after eating them. That's all I need to know, and it's vegan. For all my vegan-friendly friends out there, I didn't know that pop chips are vegan. That's actually crazy. Wow, I'm mind blown right now. A lot of people have questions on whether or not I eat chips. Yes, I eat chips, I eat whatever I want, honestly, because I'm a normal human being, and that is absolutely okay. So that is the first thing we got. Alrighty, I love salad. If you know me, you know that I love a good Caesar salad. I'll go out to the best steakhouse in Seattle, and I promise you I'm leaving with a Caesar salad, because at least a Caesar salad. Never said I was going to pass up the steak, but I do like croutons, and I really do like this brand. You can find this, I think, at Trader Joe's too, so okay. You guys, so this is literally all of the food. I can't believe the amount of brie cheese I got and the fresh veggies. I'm just drooling over right now because those grapes, that avocado, the lettuce, the fresh basil, everything just sounds so delicious right now. I think I'm gonna make myself a cute little charcuterie board. But before we get into like putting stuff away, I wanted to just kind of like show you guys what we're working with, because I feel like it would be rude if I didn't. A little bit more unhealthier items kind of within this area, like the popcorn, the pop chips, and the kettle potato chips that are back there. Part of your weight loss journey is definitely understanding that you can eat foods that you like and food that you think tastes good without being worried about, you know, getting on the scale or what your measurements are looking like and all of those things. So it's really important to make sure that you are still satisfying your cravings as well as the nutrients that need to be replenishing your energy and all of the good stuff to make you feel amazing. Yeah, I also have some black beans, some asparagus, some apple cider vinegar in the back over there. We've got some ranch, we've got some pickles, we've got just a ton of fresh veggies. I accidentally went ahead and bought like 5,000 of these snap peas. I also have some more over there. I just have a whole ton of that. I love avocado toast, so went ahead and got some avocado. Yeah, I'm gonna put all of this stuff away before it goes bad, and yeah. Bye, I love you. Can you say hi to the vlog?
What?
Say hi to the vlog.
You got some curly ass, white ass jeans.
Oh, I'm telling you to tell them hi, not gas me. Thank you, though.
Hello. Hello.
Good night, bro.
Alright, I gotta go.
I love you.
Love you too.
Bye. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm literally so excited. I ordered a Keurig maybe like 45 minutes ago and it's already here. I guess I had a visitor downstairs. So I opened the app and was like, I'm not really expecting anyone. And it's the Amazon delivery dude. So I let him in thinking that I'm just gonna meet him downstairs probably while he's putting it into the package room. But as I'm waiting for the elevator, it opens and he comes out with this huge box. I'm so excited about it. I think I'm gonna make myself some coffee, which is really weird because it's like so late at night, but I'm super excited to just like get this going and open it and finally have a Keurig so I can make myself coffee every morning because I'm not cultured and I don't know how to make it in a Gemini. So, guys, oh my gosh, I can't believe how fast I got it. Oh, I'm so excited. I ended up getting the Keurig Slim. It's the K Slim. The reason why I ended up going with this one is because I actually was able to get it for $49. I've never seen a Keurig that cheap ever in my entire life, sold by Amazon and shipped by Amazon. So 100% totally legit because it is the Keurig brand and it's brand new. There's nothing wrong with it. I just saw that it was on sale and I was like, I don't want to pay $180 for a Keurig, so I'm definitely going to buy it now. I'll go ahead and link that down below so that you guys can find it. It's in my Amazon storefront. You guys can find it in like the kitchen shopping list. The price usually does fluctuate. I've watched it kind of switch between $49.69 and $79.99. So it might vary depending on how quickly you guys jump onto this. I feel like we should do this unboxing on the floor. Come say hi to the vlog. I love you. Alrighty, let's do this. I'm so scared I'm like gonna break it. I did not think it was gonna get here that fast at all. I'll leave the link to where I bought this in the description box below, so if any of you guys are in the market for a new Keurig or just a coffee maker that is really good and not super expensive, gonna break the bank, I would definitely go with this one because you don't need those big ones. These are literally the same. I'm gonna go make myself a cup of coffee with my brand new Keurig and I will see you guys in a little bit when I have coffee, hopefully. Not bad. Whoa. Gonna fog up the lens. Guys, surprise! What's poppin'? I'm with my boo. She just did my nails and literally get the drip on this side because this side is just crazy. Ria, do you see this? My friends are so talented.